Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Robert and you're watching Cars Enthusiast channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to mount a wiring kit for your dash cam to transform like the entire look of the car from this into this.
Nice.
And that you will have a much cleaner look car inside of the car. Another thing is it will be you will have the socket free to use, I don't know, a phone charger or something else, I don't know, whatever you need to use it for, and it will be much useful like it in this way. But before I get into that, I've realized watching my latest videos that my voice is not loud enough, so I'm gonna try and speak louder, but I'm not gonna yell, you know, at the mic. I'm not gonna yell at the mic with my weird beard. You get what I'm saying, right? So I have this wiring kit for NextBase over there. Like this. I'm trying to get it through the firewall to go in the front of the car and like through there.
Hello, motherfucker.
Come out and put it in the fuse boxes here. So wish me luck. I don't know if you can see it, but there is the, hold on, just there.
Hello, motherfucker.
Is the head of the wire that I'm trying to pull out from inside of the car. But let me see. So I did it, look at it, it's just there, over there. So I'm gonna tie it, I'm gonna put it here in my fuse box. Come on, I'm gonna put it somewhere here, I think. Somewhere here. Sorry for the bad sound. I don't have the mic with me, so sorry for that. So the wire, the kit goes like this. Goes like this, yeah. And it has a thing like this, which connects with the other end of the wire for 12 volts from the battery, and then another wire comes to put a black wire that has to go as ground. So right now I'm gonna have to put somewhere here. Let's see, maybe here will be the best, I'm not sure. Hold on a second. So I'm not replacing the fuse here, I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna put that instead of this fuse, and then I'm gonna put that fuse in here, and both will go in there. Coffee break. Right, so I forgot to mention that I can't just take one of the fuses that I want is you need to have 12 volts power all the time. So I'm gonna search on the indicator for every of this indicator of every fuses. I'm gonna find the 12 volts and gonna use that one. Right now it starts raining, so I hope it's gonna be fast. Okay, sorry about the wind. I'm gonna do a recap very quickly. So I got this NextBase, really nice camera, dash cam, and I really hate that wire coming down from it to get in the socket there. One is that I hate it being, you know, just there, and the second thing that I hate about it is it takes my socket, right? So if I want to charge my phone or anything, I can't because I have the camera. And as you see, if I have to choose between this or the charger, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it this recap because last night was quite late and I couldn't see anything. So I managed to pull this wire from through the firewall, going out here, and you can see, yeah, just there. So it's coming out, and I'm gonna put it on one of the fuses in the fuse box here. The thing is, I tried to fit the lid over it. It quite damages the wire, as you can see. No worries, I have another spare thing like this, so I'm gonna change it. But before I do that, I'm gonna make a small cut in this small wall here, you know, like a V shape or U shape gap, so the lid can close, and also the wire can come through with no problems. So the reason I'm doing that, like I said, is because I hate that wire over there. And another thing is that socket loses power once the engine is off. So I'm gonna tie that directly to my battery, so in that case, you know, I'm gonna be sure if anything happens while the car is parked, my camera, my dash cam will film, and I'll have proof that whoever did whatever did to my car is, you know, taken to court or whatever the situation might be. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that won't happen, but you know, just in case. That's why we keep dash cams, right? So I'm gonna crack on with it to finish the entire project. I can't say it's a project, but anyway, you know what I mean. I'm gonna finish this thing and then I'll see what's happening. I found a really good spot right here. I know I said I'm gonna do it there, but I took a better look on the edges of the lid, and in here I will have to cut both walls here, but here is not really a wall, and I just made a small hole in here over there. The wire gets through very well. Just a second, like that. And now the lid just closes down as normal, and it doesn't cut the wire. Everything is good. Let's get to the interior. Alright, so I've replaced the wire over there, going all the way up there. I'll have to tuck it in better, but I'm just showing you on the A pillar next to the dashboard, going down there, and like that. I will have to hide the extra wires like this, and everything is done. Yeah, almost forgot, the red wire that I took from the front is the positive, so I will have to tie up the ground. So just found a small screw here, which will be perfect as a ground for the camera. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. So that being said, this is the before and this is the nice. Quite neat, isn't it? So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.